It's day 2 of the Cockroach Janata Party's protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. There you can see the CJP founder Abhijit Dipke making speeches right behind me on the stage, and you can see that there are several hundred people who have gathered here for this second day. Now, let me tell you that this protest has been declared illegal by the Delhi police. The Cockroach Janata Party had permission to protest till 5 p.m. on Saturday, which was yesterday. But even a day after that, the Cockroach Janata Party is continuing their protest, even though it is illegal and even though they don't have permission. Now, how is this happening and how are they allowed to go on like this? Well, the Delhi police is constantly making announcements that this is an illegal protest and you must vacate the premises. But I'll show you that nobody is vacating this premises, nobody is vacating Jantar Mantar. So the Delhi police is making these repeated announcements, but the cockroaches are not leaving. Abhijit Dipke, the founder, is saying that we are not going to leave till the Delhi police actually drags us out of this place. So that in a way sounds like a challenge to the Delhi government, to the Delhi police, that if you want us to leave, then you should drag us out. But our understanding is that the Delhi police does not want to do that. The Delhi police has not created any confrontational moment with the protesters. So they are making these announcements, but they have not touched any protester. Yesterday, they were creating noise and using whistles to get the protesters and to drive out the protesters, but they've not used any violence. They've not dragged them out. Water cannons and detention vans are all deployed here, but the Delhi police have not used any of them. Yesterday, for some time, the protesters did not have light. They were not allowed to go in and out of these premises. So that restriction was created. They were not allowed to get food and water in and out. But even that restriction was lifted very briefly. So after just a few minutes or maximum an hour. So we can see that the Delhi police is fully cooperating, even though they have not given permission for this protest. So that means that this protest has been entirely peaceful right now. But now I'm going to show you the protest a little bit, and I'm going to speak to some of the protesters. आप हमसे बात कर सकते हैं आप so you can see that young students have also come for this protest, and let me tell you that I was also at this protest yesterday, and yesterday there were more than 1,000 people at this protest, but today there are several hundred. I believe that 300 people, 400 people. They are going up also because it's not too hot today in Delhi, but lesser than yesterday, but it's still significant given that it's very rare to see so many people gather for protests at the Jantar Mantar. Almost every other day there are protests at the Jantar Mantar and very few people come in. So it is still rare to see this kind of presence. It might be less than yesterday, but it's still significant. Let's talk to some of these protesters. आपका नाम और उम्र बता दीजिए.
My name is Raja Kar. I'm from Odisha, Raurkela. मेरी माँ कैंसर मरीज है. मेरी माँ उस तरह बैठी है, उस तरह. मैं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा का मांग करने आया हूँ.
क्यों आप लोग उड़ीसा से यहाँ आए हैं इसी प्रोटेस्ट के लिए? क्या मोटिवेशन रहा कि इतनी दूर आए? यहाँ दिल्ली के लोग दिल्ली में प्रोटेस्ट में नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो आप क्यों आए?
जैसे मैंने मम्मी विचार की थी कि बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग के लिए उन्होंने आवाज उठाने के लिए सोचा था, तो इसलिए मैंने आया क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे आत्महत्या किए हैं और मेरा भी डॉक्टर बनना सपना है और ये होना चाहिए. जब तक धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा नहीं देंगे हम लोग यहाँ से जाएंगे नहीं.
तो आपका सपना है कि आप डॉक्टर बने. यहाँ पे थालियां बज रही हैं. These are thalis that are being banged. Of course, you know the symbolism behind it. The protesters have been asked to get thalis and bang them. पर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपका सपना है डॉक्टर बनने का, तो इसलिए आप आए हैं यहाँ कि जो इस साल के नीट के 22 लाख बच्चों के साथ हुआ, पेपर लीक हुआ, वो आपके साथ ना हो, इसलिए आप और आपकी माँ आए.
नहीं, ये मेरे साथ वाला नहीं. जैसे अब मेरा भविष्य का तो पता नहीं, मैं बनूं या ना बनूं, लेकिन बाकी का भविष्य देखना चाहिए. अभी जैसे अभी आत्महत्या किए हैं तो उनके लिए धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जिम्मेदारी लेना है और इस्तीफा देना है.
तो आप लोग उड़ीसा से यहाँ आए हैं, आपके पास रहने की भी जगह नहीं होगी, तो अगर महीनों तक धर्मेंद्र प्रधान रिजाइन नहीं करते हैं तो क्या बैठे रहेंगे यहाँ पर आप?
या हम लोग ऐसे भी कल 1:30 से बैठे हैं, जब तक इस्तीफा नहीं देंगे बैठे हैं।
महीनों तक भी बैठना पड़ेगा।
या साल भर बोलोगे तो साल भर।
या अब कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि फंडेड है, कि आपको पैसे मिले हैं कहीं से यहाँ बैठने के लिए?
नो, कोई पैसा नहीं मिला है। मैं ओडिशा से आया हूँ, ओडिशा राउरकेला से। मेरी माँ कैंसर मरीज है, वहाँ पे बैठी है। ऐसा
इतना पैसा खर्च करके?
जी, अफवाह है सब, ऐसा अफवाह जैसे कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी को दबाने के लिए अफवाह फैला रहे हैं।
पर अभी तक सरकार ने कुछ बोला नहीं है। क्या इससे डिमोटिवेट नहीं होते हैं कि सरकार तो एक्नॉलेज भी नहीं कर रही है प्रोटेस्ट को?
जैसे इस्तीफा तो देना चाहिए, क्योंकि इतने बच्चे लोग डेट किए हैं, और इस्तीफा देने साथ उनसे माफी भी मांगना चाहिए। और इस्तीफा जब तक नहीं देंगे तब तक हम यहाँ से हटेंगे नहीं।
आप लोग सड़क पे सोएंगे?
जी, सड़क पे सोएंगे, सड़क पे खाएंगे, सड़क पे रहेंगे।
आप बच्चे हैं, आपको लाठीचार्ज, गिरफ्तार होने से डर नहीं लगता?
नहीं, कोई डर नहीं है। ऐसे लाठीचार्ज हम बहुत देख चुके हैं, हम लोग ऐसे डर नहीं है।
कहाँ देखा है आपने लाठीचार्ज? आपको हुआ है पहले?
ऐसा हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन मैं को डरता नहीं हूँ मैं।
तो लाठीचार्ज पड़े, डिटेंशन हो, कोई डर नहीं?
कोई डर नहीं।
चलिए, तो there you heard a young student who's here. He's saying he's not afraid of anything. Now the Cockroach Janata Party is taking a break for lunch. And that brings me to another interesting point, another interesting question that a lot of people have. Where are these people getting the money from to set up these stages, to lay out this carpet on the entire protest site, to set up that stage, to put up that board, and the money for the protest organizers and the heads to travel across different cities? Where are they getting this money from? This is a big question that people have. Well, the Cockroach Janata Party, we spoke to Abhijit Dipke in the morning, and they are saying that all of this money is coming from contributions. They say that these are individual contributions being made by people who are donating, and some people are sending water, some people are sending food, some people are sending money, and they are saying that for their own travel and for some of these boats, some of these stages, they are putting in their own money. So that's what we know about their funding sources, what they've told us. But let me also tell you that the Cockroach Janata Party has staged 9 protests till now. This is their second day in Delhi after yesterday, but still there's been no response from the government on their primary demand of the resignation of the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan over the NEET failures, CBSE failures and other failures of the Education Ministry. Interestingly, today is also the re-NEET exam after the previous exam was cancelled due to a paper leak. So it's an important day today for the Education Ministry. But now I'm going to talk to some of these protesters to show you who are these people who have come here. Sir,
जहाँ तक भाला
आपसे बात करना चाहूंगी।
तो बहुत बहुत
आपके
धन्यवाद।
बेटे से हमने
आप
बात
लोगों
की।
का मैं फिर से आपके इस संघर्ष से
हमें
नमन करता
बता रहे
हूँ।
थे कि आप एक
Thank you so
कैंसर
much.
पेशेंट हैं। आप कैंसर पेशेंट है, आपकी किडनी भी काम नहीं कर
थैंक यू अजीत भाई, प्रयागराज की पावन धरती से आके
इतनी डिफिकल्टी में,
आपने
इतनी
क्रांति
गर्मी
की
में
ज्वाला,
आप बाहर भी
क्रांति की लोग ऊपर उठाया। हमारे पास क्रांति तो है, लेकिन अभी लक्ष्मी भी आ गई है। बहन लक्ष्मी आ रही है और अपने सब्र रखेंगी। बहन से आग्रह है कि जितने सरकार सब्र में रख पाए, तो मैं अभी उनका विचारों पर इस तरह की कोई बंदिश नहीं लगाने आया हूँ।
पर इतनी दूर से आप आए, आप उड़ीसा से आए।
जुनून के साथ अपनी आवाज रखी है।
कल का दिन तक मुझे खाना नसीब नहीं हुआ।
मैं रात को खाना नहीं मिला।
सुबह मैं ट्रेन से 5 बजे उतरे और रेलवे में वेटिंग हॉल रह दिए। 10 बजे निकले यहाँ आए। खाना तो लगी रात में दिए थे, यहाँ बेहोश हो गए थे, तब यहाँ खाना दिया गया मुझे।
तो देख पा रहे मैम, आपको ये किस चीज की थैली लगी है?
यह किडनी का नस फट गया है।
अच्छा,
ये 3 साल से लगल है। 8 दिन में एक बार चेंज होता है और 3 साल से लगल है। ये पानी
तो आपकी किडनी से पानी निकलता रहता है, उसकी ये थैली लगी हुई है। तो इतनी आप परेशानी में आए। आपको कौन सी स्टेज का लिवर कैंसर है?
मुझे लीवर कैंसर है
3rd स्टेज का। जी, कभी
सकाई हो गया है, केमो लग गया है। 3 साल से मुझे लगातार चलते आ रहा है और किडनी खराब है। डॉक्टर बोला कि पानी मत पियो, तो पानी नहीं पिए से होगा नहीं, इसीलिए पैर हाथ से फूल जा रहा है, पानी पीने से फूल जा रहा है।
तो आप इतनी परेशानी में, आप रात को यहाँ सड़क पे सोई थी, हमने देखा था। कब तक बैठेंगी?
जब तक कि बच्चे लोग को न्याय मिलेगा नहीं, यहाँ से हटेंगे नहीं। मोदी 2014 से राज कर रहा है और अब उसका राज नहीं चलेगा। बच्चे लोग को न्याय दिलाना पड़ेगा, हिंदू मुस्लिम लड़ाई रोकना पड़ेगा, सब युवकों को जॉब देना पड़ेगा, तब मैं यहाँ से उठूंगा।
अगर महीनों तक भी धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने रिजाइन नहीं किया, महीनों तक सड़क पे सोएंगे,
महीनों तलक में
तबीयत का क्या करेंगी, ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे,
तलक न्याय नहीं मिलेगा। मैं डालिए
तबीयत और खराब हुई तो
तबीयत खराब हुई तो यहाँ से मेरा लाश गुजरेगा। मेरे 3 बच्चे हैं, ये 90 करोड़ बच्चा मेरे लिए बड़े हैं ना, 3 ठो बच्चा मेरे लिए बड़े हैं।
90 लाख बच्चे क्या कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं लोगों को पैसे देके बुलाया गया है, आपको पैसे मिले यहाँ आने के लिए?
मुझे कोई पैसा नहीं दिया, ये कार्यक्रम मुझे कुछ पता नहीं। मेरे मोबाइल अपने दिशा में आया हूँ, मैं आया हूँ, किसी को पता नहीं। मैं बच्चे लोग का ही कहेंगे, बच्चे लोग को न्याय मिलने।
ध्यान रखिए मैम अपना। गो प्रधान, गो slogans are being raised here, but let's also talk to some other protesters who are here. Ma'am, can we talk to you? Could you tell us what do you do? Why have you come to this protest today?
मैं यहाँ पे प्रधान जी के इस्तीफा के लिए आई हूँ। यहाँ पे उन्हें रिजाइन देना चाहिए, उनसे कुछ काम हो नहीं रहा है, किसी और को दे दें जो कर सकता है काम। जैसे नीट के बच्चे सुसाइड कर रहे हैं, आइडियल सुसाइड हो रहा है, नीट 80-90 बार रिपीट हो चुका है, कितनी बार लीक हो चुका है, तो उससे मुझे लगता है ये कुछ काम होने वाला है। एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर से को इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए।
बहुत लोग कह रहे हैं कि जैसे यहाँ पर जो सब लोग बैठे हैं आयसा से हैं, आयसा के लोग हैं, SFI के लोग हैं, कुछ आम आदमी पार्टी के वॉलंटियर्स हैं, ऐसा कहा जा रहा है। क्या आप किसी पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से एफिलिएटेड है या बिल्कुल इंडिपेंडेंटली यहाँ आई?
मैं इंडिपेंडेंटली यही आई।
आप क्या करती हैं वैसे?
मैं ट्रैवल कंपनी में हूँ, ऑपरेशन मैनेजर हूँ, और मेरा बेटा साइंस स्टूडेंट है। वो नीट के पेपर देने वाला था बट उसने दिया नहीं क्योंकि इसका ऑल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो गया।
क्योंकि इसका
ऑल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इसका खत्म हो गया बिकॉज ये बार बार री हो रहा है, तो उसको इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो गया कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है। अगर मैं अपना दे के आऊंगा बेस्ट पता चलेगा कि दोबारा री हो गया।
तो वो फ्यूचर में देना चाहते थे नीट एग्जाम, पर इस साल जो हुआ उसकी वजह से डिसाइड कर लिया कि हम नहीं देंगे।
10th से ही वो उसको साइंस लेना था, +1 में साइंस इसीलिए लेना कि नीट लेगा, लेकिन वो तब से वो रिपीट हो रहा है, उसका इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो गया बिल्कुल टोटली इंटरेस्ट खत्म।
इन लीक्स की वजह से उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं एग्जाम देंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू मैम। मैं थोड़ा और आपको I would like to show you what's happening. I would also like to show you something interesting, that this is where the CJP protesters are being given water, they are being given food, and people are saying that this food has come from donors, this food has come from individual donors. I'm going to show you one such food station. Now it's over, but food was being served at that particular station, and we were told that these are independent donors who have contributed this food, and you can see there's several people sitting here, there's several people sitting there. So when we started we showed you that there are a few hundred people, but the count seems to be increasing as we come closer to this direction of the protest. So more and more people are coming here for sure, and of course it's still an illegal protest. Now at the last I'd like to show you the security arrangements that have been made by the Delhi police. I'm going closer to the end of Jantar Mantar and towards the exit and towards the main road, and I can show you around that you have protesters all around the place. You have people sitting on footpaths, you have people making art right here. You also have people sitting in groups, you have people raising slogans, you have people painting. आप किसी organization से आए हैं?
हाँ, मैं ऑल इंडिया स्टूडेंट फेडरेशन की ओर से आया हूँ।
तो आप यहाँ पर पोस्टर बना रहे हैं. So there are different kinds of art that's coming up at this protest as well, and you're seeing that there are students, young people all around this place, people from different generations also. Sir, अगर आपसे बात कर सकते हैं, ये Gen Z protest है, आप एक बूमर हैं अगर उस तरह कहा जाए, तो आप किस लिए आप इस प्रोटेस्ट में आए?
बाकी सब लोग है ना आंदोलनकारी प्रॉब्लम बताते हैं, मैं उसका सॉल्यूशन बताता हूँ
बताइए
कि
सर।
अपने वोटिंग राइट का ना प्रॉपर यूज करिए, सारी समस्या हल हो जाएंगी। डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर साहब ने स्वतंत्र रूप से 3 चुनाव लड़े थे, एक चुनाव आजादी से पहले और 2 चुनाव आजादी के बाद। वो तीनों चुनाव में हारे थे। मणिपुर की शर्मिला चानू करके है, वो आपकी एज की होगी, उसने 2002 से लेकर के 2017 तक भूख हड़ताल की, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी भूख हड़ताल की। उसका कोई परिणाम नहीं आया। उसके बाद में 2017 में मणिपुर में विधायक के इलेक्शन लड़ा उसने, उसको कुल 9 उसकी जमानत भी जब्त हो गई और उसको कुल 90 वोट मिले थे, 90 वोट मिले थे। ये हमारा वोटिंग पैटर्न है। तो जब तक हम अपना वोटिंग पैटर्न नहीं सुधारेंगे ना, देश नहीं सुधर सकता।
आप ये एक पोस्टर बांट रहे हैं यहाँ पर सर, राजनीति का शुद्धिकरण, यही है आपका मतलब कि वोटिंग पैटर्न चेंज किया जाए। तो यही एक बीजेपी के लिए लोग ये बोला जाता है कि बीजेपी, हाँ, या अगर कोई पार्टी इलेक्शन जीत रही है उसका मतलब है कि लोगों को इतना गुस्सा नहीं है उस पार्टी से, ये कहा जाता है क्योंकि वोट में नहीं दिख रहा है। पर सर, क्या आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जुड़े हैं?
नहीं, इंडिविजुअल।
आप इंडिपेंडेंटली यहाँ आए हैं। तो आप कह रहे हैं नीट फेलियर्स हो, कुछ भी हो, एक रेजिग्नेशन से कुछ नहीं होगा, एक ज्यादा बड़ा चेंज चाहिए
होगा, रेजिग्नेशन से भी होगा, रेजिग्नेशन से भी होगा। ये जो आंदोलन है, मैं कल भी आया था, जब रात को देखा ना कि कटी हुई बिजली चालू कर दी, तो मैं सोचा हमारा जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है ना वो सफल हो गया।
कटी हुई बिजली जब चालू, आप करते क्या है सर?
मैं रिटायर्ड हूँ कस्टम सेंटर से, डिपार्टमेंट से।
कस्टम्स एंड एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट में आप सरकारी नौकरी करते थे। धन्यवाद सर हमसे बात करने के लिए। तो डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स आल्सो दैट यू आर सीइंग दैट आर हियर at this protest, and I was showing you the security arrangements, but before I do that I can show you that there are several groups that are being made here and there. There's also a book stall that has been put up. I'd also like to speak to a protester here. Hi, can we speak to you? Can you tell us your name please?
You can have a seat, maybe. You'll be comfortable.
Yeah. Can you tell us your name?
Yeah, my name is Harshit, and I'm a spoken word artist and a student and Indian. Yes.
I didn't know your name, Harshit, but I've seen you. And you were one of those people, I think, who got the most trolled after participating.
Most loved also.
Most loved also. That's a lovely way to look at it. Tell us what that whole thing was about, because I think that a lot of people have seen you in videos, but they might not know what went behind it.
Yeah, it's very simple answer, and everybody knows that that was nothing but a Godi propaganda only.
You were asked the full form of CBSE to try and discredit that you're just a fuzzy protester, you don't know anything.
Ujjwal being asked, इतनी हिम्मत मुझसे नहीं होती पूछने की, मुझसे पूछते तो मैं कुछ और ही जवाब देता. Ujjwal being asked is very innocent and he answered that, but वही उस वक्त ही सवाल करना था, वो होते कौन है पूछने वाले. That is the very quick way. But the thing is कि that was entire propaganda only. Apart from that, whatever rubbish question that those journalists being asked, I completely respect the journalism. But to do the job with honesty is also one of the factor. इज्जत देने के लिए इज्जत करना भी जरूरी है, सॉरी, इज्जत लेने के लिए इज्जत देना भी जरूरी है. तो दैट इज द थिंग. एंड वट एवर हैपेंड विद मी और उज्ज्वल, दैट वाज मोर लाइक स्प्रेडिंग होमोफोबिया एंड ट्रांसफोबिया आउट लाउडली. And क्योंकि you know, it's
If
very
you don't
evident.
mind, could you tell us what you identify
Yeah.
as?
I'm a gender fluid person and my pronouns are he, him, they, her, she, her, any pronouns with respect. So basically what happened is ki we all know that divide and rule policy, right? So the people who came with the propaganda here, they wanted to defame this protest by all means. And they started doing propaganda by spreading religion hate or all those things, you know, jati, dharma or link ke naam par. But what lower they can go was the identity of someone, what they are wearing, how they are talking, or how they are walking, or they are trans, homophobia, why they did this, why they did that. So itna niche gir sakte the.
I think it started with what your friend was wearing.
Yeah. And all this thing happened because of that reason only. And they started, you know, dividing public in two phases. So basically they started spreading transphobia and homophobia. Of course, that was segregation of society, what they were doing. And but वही चीज की नफरत कितना भी फैलाओ, मोहब्बत के आगे हार जाएगी. और वही हुआ भी. People understood the fact कि how lower this particular propaganda वाली media can go. And yeah.
Yeah, so when I said trolling, I meant that you were trolled by that side of the spectrum,
Yeah.
and you were loved by a lot of people on social media as well. But Harshit, I would want to not do what some of these platforms are trying to do, distract us from the main issue.
Yeah.
And that is what such videos and such questions and such
yeah.
virality moments often try to do in such protests, that they're distracting us from the core issue, which is the CJP demanding the education minister's resignation. There's no denying that the education ministry has failed. And second, what they also try to do is color the protest that these are not genuine people. These are not genuine protesters,
Yeah.
but they are driven by an agenda. Can you tell us your background? What do you do?
Of course.
Can you tell us some proof of your ingenuity?
Oh my God.
Just to tell
मैं
our
खून
viewers.
दिखा दूं तुम्हें अपना like that, right? Oh my God. Actually, to understand this generation to people or the people who coming from different generations is very tough. When they say mobile phone in our hands, they feel like, oh my God, they are the just the YouTubers or the people who make reels or maybe. But what's wrong in that? This is a digital era. जब मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया कवर नहीं कर रही है प्रोटेस्ट को, तो हम इंडिविजुअली करेंगे ही क्यों नहीं करेंगे? Everybody have a phone now. Everybody is a media person now. But to do the things with the right intent is important. Then the second thing is ki when we talked about education, I would say when we talk about education in a broad spectrum, everything is interconnected.
Yes.
When we say homophobia, transphobia, why it is there? Lack of education. The worst education system we are living in. They don't teach about trans. They don't teach about sexualities. Why? Right? This is a change of education. We recently got a bill called Transgender Amendment Bill or Act now.
Yes.
Why it happened? Because that particular person on the chair was so uneducated, Virendra Kumar. He was so uneducated, of course. He had no knowledge about transgender people. Otherwise, ऐसा bill क्यों आता? This is lack of an education. Same goes with whatever happening here. एक बच्चा होमोफोबिया, बुलिंग और हरासमेंट की वजह से मरे, या एक बच्चा पेपर लीक होने की वजह से मरे. Both are the same thing. These are the system issues.
Right.
And we are demanding resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan क्योंकि the शिक्षा व्यवस्था, how dumb and lower it is going on, or how worse it is going day by day. It is so sad and scary to see.
Right.
What worst can happen is, we made these children, we killed these children basically, right?
The system.
Approx
Yeah.
20 people, 20 kids been died because of the suicide. I will not say that was the suicide, that was a murder. They have been killed by the sister.
Right. Harshit, what I want to know from you is, when journalists cover any protest, we also cover the anatomy of the protest. And that's why I asked you your background, and that's what I'm asking all protesters here. Who are these people? What do you do in your life outside this protest? Who is Harshit? Is Harshit somebody who's affiliated to any student wing like ISA, SFI? Is Harshit affiliated to any political party? Is Harshit a corporate employee? Who is Harshit?
So basically, I am connected to this protest in many ways. और बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पर बहुत तरीके से कनेक्टेड हैं, और जो भी कनेक्टेड इस पूरे देश में फील नहीं कर रहा है, तो शायद नींद से उठें और कनेक्टेड फील करें, क्योंकि यू आर द टैक्स पेयर ऑफ दिस कंट्री. यू आर पेइंग टैक्स जस्ट टू किल आवर चिल्ड्रन. कि सिस्टम इतना खराब हो जाए कि अपने बच्चों को मार दे. Why we are paying the taxes to government? Why they are not giving the best education system? This is a big question. Why they are not giving the best health system?
Right. So are you associated with any
Let me
organization?
tell you. So I'm a spoken word artist, and being an artist, I've been a pre-medical student. I lived in Kota and I prepared for medical. I know how personally it feels like, that pressure of NEET. जब आप physics, chemistry, biology के अंदर दबे हुए होते हो, how much triggering it is.
You took the NEET exam?
Not this time, but years back. Then that was a forced dream that I was opting, and I was living in a caged hostel, and I wanted to be an artist, but being a doctor was a forced dream. So I understand how it feels like and how much pressure it is. And then second thing, यहाँ पर किसी को स्टूडेंट होने की जरूरत नहीं है आवाज उठाने के लिए. यहाँ पर किसी को परीक्षा देने की जरूरत नहीं है आवाज उठाने के लिए. आप भारतीय हैं और यहाँ आने के लिए यही काफी है.
Right. So that's what Harshit is telling us, that he's an Indian, and that's why he's here, and that's why he's here to, of course, speak.
We are
with the
paying
youth.
taxes to this government in many ways. You are also paying taxes
Right.
to government in many ways. Why we are doing that? That is a big question.
Thanks, Harshit, for speaking with Peak TV. Thank you. And so that tells you a little bit about who these people are. And at the end, I'm just going to show you the security measures that have been taken by the police. And there you can see that there are these barricades that have been put up which is usual for Jantar Mantar. These barricades are always there at Jantar Mantar to demarcate this area from the outside area, from the main road. But what's also interesting is these vehicles that have been put up, and some of these security measures were not in place yesterday, and that's what I'm going to show now. We are going to show you how you actually enter and exit this protest site. This is the entrance and the exit. And here I'm going to show you that this is a machine that has been put up to check people's bags, which is an important security measure to ensure that nobody gets anything suspicious in their bags. So these mechanisms have been put in place. People are duly checked before they enter this protest to ensure that nobody gets anything suspicious. There you can see it's a bag scanning machine that the Delhi police have put up today. This wasn't put up yesterday, but it has been put up today to enhance security because, of course, hundreds of protesters are coming. They also have this van, which is interesting. It's called the it's a Delhi police van, which is sort of their eyes for this protest. And there you can see that logo as well. They have shut the door right now, but I can tell you what's inside because I saw it in the morning. There are several screens inside this van, and that screen has CCTV camera angles from different places. So somebody is actually sitting here and constantly monitoring the protest from different angles and seeing what's happening in all corners, possibly also listening to the slogans that are being raised and what's being talked about at the protest. So that monitoring was also required because sometimes we saw yesterday there was a physical scuffle between two groups and the Delhi police instantly came in and took those people away and avoided that violence. Even on the June 6th protest, we saw that there were some saffron-clad individuals who came to disrupt the protest and the Delhi police instantly took them away. So this CCTV surveillance is also being done. We also know that several police personnel are in civil dress and they are among the protesters and they are also monitoring the protests throughout. So that's how the Delhi police is keeping a check on this protest while allowing it without it having permission actually, and without actually using force or anything. The Delhi police is still monitoring this protest. At the end, again, no response from the government, no signs of resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. These protests have been going on for the last 2 weeks now. The first one was on June 6th. It went on to 8 cities now, came back to Delhi after 2 weeks, but still no sign of any response from the government. Make sure you subscribe to Peak TV for more such ground reports and more such honest, unbiased news.